always imagine na ang ganda-ganda ko tuwing nakatingin ako sa ilaw. Kumikinang yung mata ko, na parang nagiging ibang dimension siya, parang hindi ko iniisip yung sarili ko. Pag tumutong ko ng stage, I am everyone. May ganong feeling yung mga bading na hindi ko mailabas yung totoong kabaklaan ko or yung totoong gusto kong maramdaman. I always feel na I represent this pamintas all watching na they wanted to be like me, they wanted to be as beautiful as me. Hindi yung beauty literal na makeup and everything. That's the beauty of happiness na ginagawa niya on stage, na nagagawa niya lahat ng gusto niya in front of everybody. Parang that's the glow, that's the freedom na hindi ko kayang gawin, that's the confidence na hindi ko kayang ibigay. Kasi meron pa ring judgment from other gays, meron pa ring discrimination from other people, merong mga tops, may mga bottoms, may mga manly, may mga effeminate. So meron pa ring box na hindi talaga ikaw makapagpakatotoo kung ano ka. Hindi talaga siya acceptance. Binigay sa amin tong limelight na to do this and to represent you. In return, yun yung dapat na binibigay namin sa kanila, di ba? Na hindi kami lumalabas sa stage na ganun-ganun na lang. Pero alam mo yun, I accept that fact na hindi lahat araw mo. I don't know what will happen tonight. I don't know if masasayaw ko ng tama yung performance ko, if the people will laugh at me dahil nagkamali ako sa sayaw ko, if magagalit yung mga kasama kong dancers dahil mali-mali ako sa performance ko. Yun yung na-realize ko na parang, okay fine, I'm being too serious, I'm being too naive to think na yung sarili ko dapat kong patunayan. Self-fulfilling yung pag-show. Yung reaction ng tao is andyan agad. You know kapag ka nagustuhan nila yung performance mo, you get a lot of compliments. If not, that's okay. There's always next time. And there's always time para bumawi. Alisin mo yung competition sa sarili mo. Don't take it personally. It's nothing. Once you're on stage and once the number is done, it's done. I learned na it's okay to be stupid. It's okay to be ugly. It's okay na parang hindi ka laging perfect, hindi ka laging maganda. It's okay na hindi ka laging paborito ng lahat. It's okay na hindi ka laging tanggap ng lahat. Enjoy the moment, enjoy the night, and then go backstage and then prepare for my next number.